Shalom to all, this is FBA Fadime Banu Akbaz. Let's get to my exclusive weekly technical analysis in order of dollar Turkish lira, euro dollar, gold, Bitcoin, and FX. Last week, the dollar against Turkish lira increased and reached 20s as we expected. It also made new historical high at 20.13 level. This week, if it stays above 19.90 level, it shall break 20.12, 20.17 range, and then try 20.34 resistance on its way to our 26.97 target while making new historical highs. Since there is the second election in Türkiye on May 28th, Sunday, there shall be quite volatility, so watch out. Will 20s be the new 19s? Last week, the euro against the dollar declined as we expected and made low at 1.07009 when we were expecting it to try 1.0729, 1.07 range. This week, if it's below 1.0752 level, it may break 1.0705 support and then try 1.0672, 1.0622 zone to see if there's enough buyers to turn the direction back up towards our 1.2011 target. The resistance is at 1.08 psychological level. Where will it turn from? Last week, the gold declined as we expected and made low at 1,937 when we were expecting it to try 1,934, 1,910 range. This week, if it trades below 1,944, 1,936 area, it might break 1,928, 1,926 zone and then try 1,916, 1,900 range to see if there's enough buyers to turn the direction up. Will it need to go below 1,900 or not? Last week, the Bitcoin came down as we expected and made low at 25,851 when we were expecting it to break 25,795, 25,600 area. This week, if it's below 26,730, 26,705 range, it may break 25,770, 25,650 zone, and then try 24,950 support on its way to our 22,096 upcoming target. The resistance is at 27,750 level. Will there be enough buyers around 22,000? Last week, the Ether made doji and also low at 1,758 when we were expecting it to break 1,730, 1,715 area. By the way, if you don't know what a doji formation is, please check the end of this video. This week, if it's below 1,819 level, it shall break 1,794, 1,737 range, and then try 1,675 support on its way to our 1,400 upcoming target. The resistance is at 1,864 level. Will there be enough buyers around 1,400? Thanks for watching. Let me ask, do I do anything wrong? Because I'm happy to share my exclusive analysis in total 20 languages for free on a weekly basis, and I hope you benefit, yet 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. If so, please share it on your comments so I can update myself. If not, I need your support to reach more people, and you can do this just by subscribing. And set the reminder for the upcoming, especially for the premieres on Sundays at midnight. You can support me this way totally for free. And don't forget, the clarification of some basic terms I use on my videos are on my Instagram highlights named as terms, so keep up with them. Finally, I'd like to remind you the devastating 2 earthquakes in Türkiye. They were just in 9 hours, and both of them were over 7.5 magnitude. Please continue donating and praying for Türkiye. You can find the link of my video that has brief information and how you can donate on below description. Thanks in advance. Oh, final note, I wish the best outcome for my country on the second election in Türkiye on May 28th, Sunday. Bye.